Don't worry, Hector's there. Stand up. Stand up.
Right, we've forgotten that we've got 2 black walls at the bottom because those centre backs were overpowered, by the way.
Oh, we've still got him. He's on the bench. Curty boy. But you're not going to be able to kick. Stand up. What have we done?
What are you talking about? I went throws for days. Are you recording? Yeah. Right, so this is our road to glory.
Oh, yeah.
You get ready for a compilation called what we've got.
Love that.
Cool.
Good Jamie. Just move it back to Jamie. Good decision. One more. Great decision. That's why we should have your car. That was.
We are a gang. Gang. What's the celebration?
Let's go! All us young people.
No, sorry.
Oh yes, you need that for a compilation role.
Don't just fall for his little shitty face. Just stay on your feet.
Oh, they can score this free kick. You can kick me if they score.
How?
Sorry. Just calm me.
Fucking save, Jacko. Move it. Fucking get rid of the thing.
Go on then,
more
Jamie
shenanigans.
Vardy.
No, just have
Jamie
it.
Vardy.
Prowess in this situation. Kick it away, Aaron. The fuck? You get it. Good like that. Use both sides of the pitch and again. Go the other way. Move it quicker.
How can I move that any quicker?
You're not a lord. You don't have gay rights. You might have to cut that out, otherwise the flower hippies will get about.
The what? The gay boys. What the gays have?
move it.
What the gays have no rights?
Oh my god.
Go on, slide it in, Ben.
Get on side and I'll pick you out.
Just pass it
Nah,
out.
just have it across there. It's just like real
Oh,
life.
commit,
Like.
commit.
He's gonna get up. Oh, throw. Great win.
Rate win.
Couldn't have gone any better that.
Just zoom on the goal.
Can you dance for a distraction?
Action shot. Move it. Oh, wrong pass.
So that was going up, so that was supposed to be going up to the other one.
Go the other side and I'll go this side. See? Standing up. Nothing. Why is it just like a game of pinball or something? Fucking put your foot through it, Aaron.
When that's not the remote like turned off, I swear down.
Love it. Let's just give it back to them every time. When I say clear, I mean clear.
Don't speak like an idiot, Ben. You know I hate it.
And then you're on camera.
Hit Sane. That's Benner's. See,
Who the
that's why.
fuck is
That's
this
why.
Duke's
That's why I
guy?
want 4 Walker because Bellerin's so weak.
Shows your number. You don't hear me complain.
What a tackle!
Just stay on your feet.
I've won the ball.
You've got every player on the pitch book now.
Oh my god,
from
there's a
this-
nigger as a wreck.
You just can't post that now.
Yeah, we
like
can.
you just will get arrested. Play him in.
What? What's wrong with that?
I'm gonna nick it.
Oh,
Ben, I am on fire.
I dare to sweat it.
Why do I ever pass to you ever?
Oh,
Marnie's very, very good player.
hit my feet. We need to play off Jamie Vardy more.
By the way, I'm allowed to see the inward because I'm actually black.
Oh yeah.
Turn the camera around and show the public.
No,
Hector.
it wouldn't let me.
Jesus, he wants a lot.
Pass to my feet. Oh, show me what we made of still then.
Yes, Raheem.
Oh, that's a compilation.
One more.
Compilation.
Oh my Neil, you are shit.
No.